All right, let's bring it in for a landing. There we go. Okay, let's see. I'll be able to turn a lot tighter with my rudders. Oh yeah, what an awesome little plane. I have my Eachine micro Skyhunter out here today, and it's the first time I've had this in the air in 9 months. Okay, where I left off, I had just installed dual rudders on it. They were effective, but not as effective as I would have liked them to be. So I set aside time finally to modify the linkage on it. So mechanically, I've got as much movement on the rudders as I can get. So 9 months, man. I'm gonna be rusty with this plane, but let's see if we can get it in the air. All right, launching. There we go. We're in fully stabilized mode right now. All right, so there's just aileron, and I'm going to input a little bit of rudder with the aileron, and let's see. Oh yeah, it's got a tight turn radius now. Sweet. Okay, so that was fully stabilized mode. So let's come through here, put it into gyro mode. Okay, now we're in gyro mode. I gotta remember to throttle back on this on 4S. Love this plane. This is an awesome airframe. And just tons of power on 4S. Okay, so let's bring it through here, go away from the sun, go vertical with it, and see what kind of rotation we've got. Oh, much better than it was, that's for sure. Okay, let's try that again. Sometimes you just got to get the level of throttle correct to get it to rotate really well. Oh yeah, that pivoted that time. So it looks like if I pull the throttle down to about 25%, yeah, it rotates around. Sweet. Okay, so now I can do stall turns with it. Now it'll be easier to bring it in a crosswind. So yeah, so my rudders are a lot more effective now than what they were last time I had it out, so I'm real happy about that. A micro Skyhunter with dual rudders. Oh, sweet. And as you saw, even in full stabilization mode, it's got a turn radius now that's about half of what it was when it was just bank and yank without any rudders on it. So that'll make it a lot nicer coming in and landing in a crosswind. Awesome plane. Unlimited vertical. This is a rocket on 3S, but it is absolutely a ballistic rocket on 4S. Coasting, gliding. It really has very little drag on it. Sweet. Gliding. All right, let's bring it in for a landing. There we go. Okay, let's see. I'll be able to turn a lot tighter with my rudders. Oh yeah, what an awesome little plane. Alright, that's a wrap on this episode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time in the TinkerzLab.